Guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Omgherhair. Now, before I get started on all the details, guys, are you subscribed? Because if you're not, you should definitely hit the subscribe button. Also turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now, this unit I'm showing you guys is their sexy loose curly hair. It is a 360 lace wig. Now, this one I have is 20 inches. It's 150% in density. You do get your soft Swiss lace. You get 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. You do also get a pre-plucked hairline, and this one does have the bleached knots throughout the whole lace. You can opt out of not doing that if you are not comfortable with the company bleaching the knots for you. Now, you can definitely wear this unit straight out of the package if that is something that you are okay with, but when it comes to like curls and waves, I just prefer to wash my hair because I want to see what the true pattern is going to look like after it is washed, because of course when you take it out of the box it has those factory curls. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put this on my head, and then I am going to work on cutting off the lace. Now, I already did cut off the back of the lace because it is a 360 unit. I get questions all the time like, why you don't put it in a ponytail? I don't know, I guess because I don't care if it's a 360 or full lace. Most of the time I'm going to end up just wearing it like a lace front wig. That's just something that I just choose to do. It is nice to be able to put it into a ponytail and have those options, but for me, I haven't stepped into that lane yet, but eventually I will. So because this is a 360 lace front wig, I am going to have to cut off some of the lace by the ear because it is going to come over a little bit. And this is a medium average cap size. I am considered a small, but sometimes I don't mind getting a medium because every company's medium is not equal, okay? There are some mediums that are like small, super small. But I'm just going to go ahead and cut off that little bit of lace. And for today, I will be using the olive oil super hold fix it spray, and I'm going to spray that on top of the lace. And then of course, when I get to the sides, I'm going to spray underneath the lace and then use a blow dryer just to speed up the process. Now that everything is dried down, I am going to go in with my edge brush, and then I'm also going to take my She Is Bomb Fuse Foam, and then I'm just going to work on styling the hairline. While the hairline is pre-plucked, I do feel like it's just a little bit boxy. Now, I did not go in and pre-pluck anything else in the front of the hairline, so what I'm going to do is pull out just a little bit of hair on the sides just to kind of, you know, make it look a little bit more natural. And then I'm just going to kind of swoop over some hairs. Now, if you're not a fan of baby hairs, as I always say, it is a personal preference. You can skip past this step and you can just kind of pluck it out to kind of match your hairline a little bit. But I did not do that, so we are going to do this step. I do my baby hairs in the front. I do have to take my time. Those are not something that I just can quickly swoop over and then just go on about my business. No, I like them to look a certain way, so I have to take my time. Now, when I am happy with the way that they are looking on the side, because I'm only going to do them on the side, I'm not going to do them in the very front. Then I'm just going to take a little bit of fuse foam also, and then just kind of brush back the front part. And then I will use a blow dryer just to kind of dry that down also. Okay, now it is powder time. Now this lace is a medium brown. They also offer a dark brown on the website and a transparent. Those are going to take you an extra 30 days. Now the lace is just coming off a tad bit light. So I'm just going in with my Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Creator Powder Palette, and I'm going to place that around the hairline and also into the parting space just to kind of open it up a bit. Also some hair that I just needed to pluck out to kind of make the part look a little bit better. So I just use my hand to do that. So taking the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum, I'm just going to run that throughout the hair. That's going to help combat any type of frizziness and flyaways. However, after I washed this, I did go ahead and set it with the She Is Bomb Fuse Foam. So that already helps kind of combat the frizziness and flyaways, which is great. So I'm not going to use a lot of the serum in the hair, but I definitely want to begin to fluff it up because it just looks so gorgeous. Yes, these loose curls are definitely coming through. So guys, this is the final look of the unit and it is so gorgeous. Okay, it took me no time to put this on because I already pre-styled it on my mannequin head. If you want to skip a lot of time, style on your mannequin head and then put it on like the next day. That way you don't have to worry about a lot of fuss. But this hair is definitely gorgeous. It's very easy for me to run my fingers through. You guys see, y'all see me profiling and styling. That's how you know I am feeling this hair. So this unit is 20 inches once again. I definitely think it looks a little bit longer on me. I'm only 5'2", so everything looks a little bit long. But they also offer this in 24 inches if you want some, you know, super long hair, don't care. And then 10 inches is the shortest length. They also offer this density in 130% and 180. I personally feel like 150 is enough, okay? Now, if you go a little bit longer, if you want the longest length, then you might can get away with the 180%. The parting space on this, you only get about 4 to 4.5 inches in the front. I do wish it was a little bit longer, but I definitely think it is doable. And then as far as the hairline goes, their hairline is already pre-plucked. However, I took the extra steps to kind of make it look a little bit more natural. Even though I didn't pluck out any hairs, just adding those shorter hairs in the front definitely made it look a little bit more open. And I do like that they offer the bleach knots option for those beginners who just don't want to fuss with bleaching the knots yourself. Even though that it states that this is a natural color, it is more closer to a 1B, but on the website they do offer a 1, 2, a 4, and an actual 1B, but those may take an extra couple of days to process. So yeah guys, let me know what you think about this unit. I honestly did not get a lot of shedding when I was dealing with it. The washing was very easy, and then styling it was a breeze. I think that she is cute and going to be perfect for the spring and summertime. So guys, if you are feeling this one, I'm going to make sure to leave all the links down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel once again, turn those notifications on, share, and like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.